Hi everyone, Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Class A diesel pusher time. Got a beautiful 2018 Entegra Cornerstone model 44B sitting on the Spartan K3 chassis with the 605 Cummins. One owner with 35,000 miles. Very nice machine, and it's 100%. Everything works on the coach. I'm gonna take you around and tell you a little bit about it, show you a little bit about it, and hopefully we get you down here to look at it. Let's start off with the paint. Between a 1 and a 10, it's gonna be very close to a 10. There's maybe 1 or 2 nicks in the paint. Other than that, it's flawless. It's been very well taken care of and garage kept when it's not here in Florida. Tires, does have some tires. We're gonna have to talk about changing them here real soon. I couldn't find a date code. I want to say it's got the original tires, matter of fact. We can negotiate past that, I'm sure. You got your 2 big patio awnings by GIRARD. I just had that out a moment ago. The wind picked up and brought them back in, so I'm not gonna bother taking those back out again. Let's take you inside the first storage bay here. Nice refrigerator, freezer by DOMETIC on a slide out tray. Moving along here. Another slide out tray that is electric. Button here on the door. And that goes for both ways. If you were on the driver's side, you got the same option there. Your TV here on the patio. It's gonna be on a swivel mount, so you can direct it, you know, towards the rear or the front, whatever you deem necessary. Another slide out tray here. Again, on an electric actuator. It's gonna be your different breakers for different functions, such as your house power and leveling jacks, inverter on off. Batteries are gonna be in that compartment there in the back. What did we have here? This is your freshwater holding tank behind that. Coach is very, very nice. GIRARD electric awnings on all the windows. That's your def tank access. In here, you have your button to open the rear engine bay. That's on electric actuator as well. Let's go ahead and bring that up. Show you this beast of a motor it's got. But look at the reflection in that paint. Excellent. Got the 360 camera in the back. 605 Cummins right there. Very little use at 35,000 miles. Excellent coach. Let's see here, these are part of your collision avoidance system, your lane monitoring and all that. This is your wet bay, electric hose reel, pretty standard on all these. Electric cord reel. There's your AQUAHOT hydronic heating. Opposite side of the storage we showed you earlier. Same thing here. Nice and clean in here. Well taken care of. Now when you look at one, there's no sand or debris in the carpet. You know they cared about it. All the slide out awnings are by Girard. Everything's intact there. Let's pull this generator out. Oh, you know what? You got to have the ignition on. It's the big 12.5 watt ONAN with 400 hours. Let's take you inside. Ooh-wee. Nice machine. So you walk in here and it still smells new. Nice new leather smell. No rips or tears in any of the fabric. No foul odors in here. No smoking, no pets. Got the L-shaped couch. That'll fold in when you're traveling. Fireplace. There's TV there. Your dining table. Table slides out. Should be 2 additional chairs in the closet. Real nice light fixture here on the top. Very nicely accented. No cracks in any of the tile. You got a little pull-out island here for extra counter space. Underglow lighting in the cabinets. Got nice lighting underneath the cabinets, underneath the countertops. It's your dishwasher machine. Convection microwave. Center of the coach, here's where everything's controlled. All your lighting, your shades, awnings, all the functions of the coach are operated here. Your half bath. This is a pantry here. King size bed. Your rear master bath. Double sink. Real nice. Nice big shower here. Coach is ready to move into stackable Whirlpool washer and dryer. And yeah, cedar lined closet. There's the other 2 chairs. Very, very nice. Well, I've gave you a good little tour here. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Pat with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Number is 561-719-9774. Talk to you soon.